this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the 120 LED red light therapy wrap with a power bank and also using an electrical cord. Now, please be aware that on our site currently, as of the date of this video, we sell the 120 LED wrap with the controller wire. This allows you to set the intensity levels, and also it has some programming in terms of the pulse rate. It's a little bit complicated for some people, so we also sell it without the controller wire where you just plug it directly into the wall. Some people prefer that. It's really simple. Right here I have the 120 LED wrap. This is the box that it comes in. This is the 12 volt power bank that we sell on the site. Please be aware that because of the power requirements of this wrap, you need to have a minimum 12 volt DC output in your power bank. Not all power banks will sufficiently power this thing, just so you're aware. Now, as you could see, it's got a USB port, a USB-C port, and a DC output pin port. This battery also comes with a cord, a pin-to-pin cord. This is the one that's going to allow you to power up the LED wrap. And then it's got a USB-A to USB-C cord, which you use with a AC plug that is not included because most people have them. It looks like this. So you'll need that to recharge the battery. Now here is the controller wire, and it's got this USB to pin cable. I recommend you do not use this. There really is no need. If you're using the power bank, just use the cables that come with this. If you want to use the wall AC power cord, it comes with an end like that. So there's no real need to use this. I've tried it with it, and it does power it up, but it's a lot weaker. So this, again, just discard it. So first thing I'll do is show you how to power up the power bank. Take it, insert the USB-C in the port there. Take this, put it in a standard 5 volt DC 2.1 amp power plug, and plug it into the wall. And if you look closely, you could see the indicator lights blinking. That means it's charging. Should take about 40 minutes to fully charge it. Now when it's fully charged, take the pin-to-pin cord, stick the smaller, thinner end into the DC output, take the other end and insert it into the controller cable end like that. Then take the USB end and insert it into the wrap. Okay, and when I press this, you'll see that it powers up. All right, so this will allow portable use, and you could see how you can increase the intensity levels. And then when you do this, you can cycle through the different pulse rates, and you could set the treatment duration with this button. So that's how you connect the 12 volt DC power bank to the 120 LED wrap to make it portable. So it's great for using it like in your car, on an airplane, etc. These are safe for airplane travel. To use the electrical cord with your LED wrap, take your power cord, connect it here to the controller cord, then you plug it directly into the wall. And again, you see it power up, then it works fine. And that's how you use the 120 LED red light therapy wrap with the power bank and with the electrical cord.